Hey, what's up, window cleaners? Louis here with Superb Window Cleaning. I'm getting ready to do a storefront cleaning right now, but I just want to go over the tools that I'm going to be using on this job. This, you already know, I've been talking about this pole here from Extended Reach. I use it now for my storefront cleaning. Very reliable pole, very sturdy pole. The clamp here I love because it just clamps really good. When it's fully extended, it goes up 8 feet. When it's not, it's 5 feet. All right, so then I'm gonna be using the Sorbo 24-inch Grizzly Yellow Jacket. Like I've told you before, I've explained it in my other videos. I like using larger washers like this to cover more glass. So this is the 24-inch Yellow Jacket Grizzly washer from Sorbo. Then I'm gonna be using the 26-inch Cobra from Sorbo, a 20-inch Cobra from Sorbo, and the original 36-inch Black Mamba from Sorbo. Okay, and as you can see, Sorbo's left cart here, very good. Highly recommend that you invest in something like this. You can wheel it around your storefronts with these, save your arm and fatigue. All right, so I'm gonna get on these windows right now. All right, take care.